Hey guys, welcome to my new video in which today I will be showing you the unboxing of VIVO Y83, which is the phone with notch in budget segment.
Yeah, that body's a blessing, girl. I ain't trying to pressure her. She messed with the temperature.
Starting with the box overview, at the sides we get the VIVO IPL sponsorship details, which has no relation with the phone. At the back we get few specification details such as the full view display which the phone has got. It is packed with 4GB of RAM and 32GB of ROM and 13 megapixel camera at the back and the face unlock feature. The phone has got 4G VoLTE and 4G in both the chips. The phone has got the warranty card, USB cable, charger, charging brick and case. The phone is priced at 16,000 rupees at India. Open up the box. We get another box which contains the silicone back case for the phone. As you can see, we got another box inside which we get the silicone back case, few paperworks, user manuals and a SIM ejector tool in it. The back cover, the silicone back case, is of high quality and has got precise cuts for the fingerprint sensor and the camera and a lid for the charging, which most of the silicone back case does not have. Here's the device itself. These are a few tags. The charging brick, which is of 5 volts and 2 ampere, which can charge your phone pretty fastly. Not as fast as the Qualcomm Quick Charge. This is a micro USB cable and the earphones, which nowadays many smartphone manufacturers are missing to provide. Now this was the box contents and let us take a look at the phone. It's covered with a plastic wrapping, so let us remove it first. The phone is made up of whole glass. As you can see, there is the notch. Now let us boot up the phone. Let us take a physical overview. At the back we get the 13 megapixel camera with single LED flash, the fingerprint sensor which is pretty fast and the Lenovo branding. At the bottom we get the speaker grill, micro USB port, audio jack and microphone. At the top we don't get anything. At the sides we get the volume rockers and the power button, and at the other side we get the SIM tray. The phone has got dual SIM, as I already told you. And both the SIM has the 4G support. I have already set it up the phone, as you can see. At the start the phone was not as responsive as it should be. I don't know why. Talking about the fingerprint sensor and how responsive it is, you can see that it works very fast. It takes less than a second to get unlocked using the fingerprint sensor. I will be reviewing the face unlock feature of this phone in the upcoming video, so stay connected and subscribe to my channel. The phone has got its own custom UI, which is known as One Touch OS. The phone is running currently on Android Oreo 8.0. You can manually on or off the OT support on this phone. The phone has got all the basic functionalities such as the mobile hotspot, the motorbike feature and the game mode also the phone is packed with. Phone has also got the all Oreo features, for example the smart split and one-handed usage mode. The phone has got 32GB inbuilt. So that is it for today. If you liked the video, please share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks.
on your own on the